Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Pelican Sport Pedal Boat Monaco DLX Angler. The pedal boat Monaco DLX Angler from Pelican is great for a fishing adventure around the lake with friends or family. With its adjustable backrests, flush mount rod holders, a solid built-in cooler, an easy-to-deploy canopy, drink holders and storage platform, this pedal boat can accommodate up to 5 fishing enthusiasts. Made of Ramex impact-resistant material, the Monaco DLX Angler is built to last. It will bring many opportunities to create amazing fishing stories worth sharing with everyone. The Pelican Folding Anchor Kit 3 pounds is the perfect accessory for those who want to moor, fish or swim. This folding anchor is galvanized, features 20 feet of line and comes in a durable nylon bag. Please note that this anchor should not be used in strong currents. Easy to install, the mooring cover protects your pedal boat from the elements. Made of heavy-duty breathable material, it has an elastic cord at the bottom for a secure fit. Our second best pedal boat is Sun Dolphin Sun Slider 5-seat pedal boat. If you're looking for an affordable recreational pedal boat that can take you to different locations, take a look at the Sun Dolphin 5-seat pedal boat with canopy. It has an inbuilt cooler and rod holders, cup holders, and much more. Since it has an umbrella, you can take pleasure in on this boat for as long as you like. You can instruct that the sun is screwing its head off, as none of its rays could keep you from enjoying yourself. It is safe to be when you are in shade. If the sun isn't shining, it is possible to take the canopy off and enjoy the best scenery possible. Additionally, the seats can be adjusted. The seat can be reclined in case you'd like to rest in case you are tired of paddling. Third pick in our list is Sun Dolphin 5-seat pedal boat with canopy. The Sun Dolphin 5-seat pedal boat comfortably seats 3 adults and 2 children with pedal positions for 1, 2, or 3 people. The deck and hull of this 5-seat pedal boat are crafted of rugged UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene. The Sun Dolphin pedal boat features dual rear coolers or storage compartments, a built-in extra storage area and beverage holders to make your ride smooth and pleasant. Includes sun canopy for UV ray protection. It is a 5-seater model that has 545 pounds of capacity. While it's not a lot for the price, but you'll still appreciate the features that it provides. In addition to the motor cruising feature and the ability to take a refreshing drink because of its built-in cooler as well as cup holders. The model also has an umbrella that lets you to take pleasure in your journey throughout the day without burning your body in the heat. There are seats that can recline and you can lay down when you're tired of navigating your boat. Number 4 in our side is Nautocraft Escapade Pedal Boat. Efficiently designed belt-driven pedal drive system. Starboard side mounted steering handle controls a spade-type rudder for easy and effective control. Boat hull and ancillary arch, rudder, steering handle, seats, drive unit housing parts are rotational molded polyethylene. Ballast-filled keel gives stability in rough waters as well as making it self-righting if capsized. Manual bilge pump installed for easy emptying. Includes traditional bicycle parts and 15-inch 2-blade propeller via the drive shaft. Number 5 in our top 5 best pedal boat list is Sun Dolphin Laguna 5. If you're looking for an economical pedal boat you and 3 other friends could enjoy a ride around a lake, you should consider Sun Dolphin's Laguna pedal boat. The hull and deck are strong construction made of Fortiflex polyethylene which has UV stabilization. It's a closed-cell polystyrene foam which provides superior floating. Similar to the other Sun Dolphin models, the Laguna pedal features seating that is adjustable. The seats in the Laguna model come with a removable kickboard. In addition to these features, it is possible for an umbrella can be hung in it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.